This carrier training tutorial is going to go over how to add a missing carrier invoice. Adding a missing carrier invoice will be necessary if the load is not in the system. Either A, you are not tendered a load from Rockform's TMS, or B, you did not find the load within the carrier execution portlet in order to update pickup and drop information. Once your invoice is entered, please email corresponding paperwork to accounting@rockform.com. Adding a missing carrier invoice will need to be executed within the Carrier Invoice Disputed portal. You'll need to click on Add Carrier Invoice, enter your SCAC code, and click Use on the lower right-hand corner. Next, click Add Unmatched Invoice. Your first step is going to be to enter the pickup and drop location. Please make sure that this is what is listed on the delivery receipt. You'll also need to select the bill to address from the drop-down per the BOL or LOA that you received. Next, you're going to want to click on the magnifying glass. Select Base Report, and select the carrier, then click OK on the right-hand side. Please choose Carrier Mode from the drop-down and fill in the number of service days. Next, you will need to fill in the invoice number and invoice weight. Invoice date is going to default to the day that you're entering this information. Next, fill in the invoice with a brief description of charges, rate, quantity if applicable, fuel surcharge, and any accessorials if applicable. The invoice will total as you add charges. Please do not enter an accessorial as other accessorial service charge. Choose applicable charge description from the drop-down menu. Please enter pay terms. It'll be required for you to enter your bill of lading number from the paperwork provided at the time of pickup. You're also going to be required to enter a PRO number. Lastly, you'll need to fill in item information as provided on the bill of lading. Choose class, if applicable or provided from the drop-down menu, otherwise default to 65, and enter NMFC numbers if provided. Enter the quantity and choose a type of shipping unit from the drop-down menu. Enter the total weight for that line item. And finally, enter a brief description of item shipped. Finally, you'll want to click Save on the lower right-hand corner.